we're going to look at example 3. It's only a little bit different than 1 and 2. So this one's 2 parts. We've got to calculate the simple interest like we did in example 1 and 2. But what we need to do ultimately is find the account balance. So the account balance is going to be that ending amount that the account will be worth at the end of the time. So we are going to take a look. It says calculate that simple interest for a deposit of $500 at a rate of 2.55% at a time value of 4.5 years. And we haven't done one that's a fraction like that, but we're going to take care of that. So the first thing I'm going to do, Andrew, I'm sorry I'm interrupting you, but the first thing we're going to do is just set up simple interest. So we've got I equals PRT. Sorry for the ugly writing, you guys. It's 11:15 at night, and I might be out of it by now. Normally, I'm fast asleep at 11. Okay, so we've got a principal of 500, the rate of 2.55, and that time value of 4.5 years. So I'm going to plug in exactly like it looks. Principal is $500. My rate is 2.55%, which is out of 100. And the time value is 4.5 years. You guys, you could write 4.5, I suppose, but I'm actually going to write it as 4.5. It's just easier to have a decimal. So I'm going to leave that time value as 4.5 years. Okay, excellent. Go over to Desmos. Let's find our interest. It's a sure sign that I'm too tired. I don't remember any of the numbers. 500, 2.55. 2.55%. So I'll just put that out of 100 times that 4.5 years. So I'm going to put that in as 4.5. And I am going to round this to 2 decimal places. So this says 5737, and then there's a 5. So since that third number is a 5, I'm going to go ahead and round this up to 38 cents. So 5738 is my actual interest. Sorry for the bad writing. 5738. Excellent. Now it says calculate the account balance. You guys, I'm going to call the account balance B. So my account balance is going to be the original amount of $500 that we put in it, plus that interest that we earned, which was 5738. And I know it doesn't look like that, but that is a 5738 there. You guys, if you want to keep it easy, I'm going to show you that right here. You can come to the end of what you've multiplied, and you can add the original principal amount of 500. So that's going to show us 557.375. So we're still going to round that off at 37 cents. So we are going to have our balance at $557.38. So for account balance, take your interest and add it to the original principal, and then you're all done.